Touchdown.
Your heart.
Touchdown.
In the fucking market.
I fucking love you, man.
Money don't change you, my nigga.
Love you, nigga.
Learn this your shit. All you niggas out there talking bare nonsense. Let now.
It's my brother's wedding day today. And 30 BG, I have one task for you. You need to get him to 100,000 followers tonight. You know, they call me Talk and Do.
Hi guys, good day and welcome once again to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be sharing with you how Davido touched down Zimbabwe for his friend's wedding. So guys, Davido landed Zimbabwe earlier today for his friend's wedding, Ego 2022, and he was giving a warm welcome. He was being welcomed like a king alongside this 30 billion gown. So guys, we are also going to be sharing with you how the bride stepped out from his hotel with the 30 billion gown and how everything went down just before the wedding commenced. Then later on today, we are going to be bringing to you the entire happenings, how the wedding went down over there in Zimbabwe. So stay tuned, guys.
Get up! Zim zim!
Drive anyone. No, nice.
Let's do the chops here. Let's do the
La
chops.
Casa Davido.
Uh-huh.
Zimbabwe.
What's happening?
Badass. Jollof fries, West African cooking, we'll build the house.
Ginger.
Shout out my son, Tito, Boo Boo, ain't that?
Bread. The king of the day. The king of the everywhere.
Badass. Badass.
What's up? Why, yeah.
I love your 30 BG gang. We're not going to go back as the men did the call.
Get funny, man.
But this thing live there. It's too far from me. I don't understand. I'll take it. You want to grab the white here? So this one. Turn on.
That corporate crib. That corporate crib, right? Oh, God. Oh my God. That corporate crib, bro. It's called Kenke. After party.
Party.
You know, got that Martell. It's all brand